Welcome to Beautyistic. If you're someone who's always on the hunt for that flawless, airbrushed finish, this review might just be the answer to your beauty prayers. Today, we're taking a closer look at the KIKO Milano Full Coverage Blurring Powder Foundation in the shade 30 Sand. It's touted as a high-coverage powder foundation that promises to blur imperfections while giving you that smooth, even complexion we all crave. KIKO Milano is no stranger to the beauty world, and their full coverage blurring powder foundation is designed for those who want to cover up blemishes, redness, or uneven skin tone without the weight of a liquid foundation. It's pressed into a convenient compact, making it perfect for on-the-go touch-ups. This powder foundation is formulated with a blend of ingredients designed to provide maximum coverage with a soft, velvety texture that doesn't settle into fine lines or create a cakey appearance. The formula claims to provide a matte finish that's suitable for normal skin types. The best part? It's cruelty-free, which is always a plus in my book. In my experience, incorporating this powder into my beauty routine was super easy. It blends seamlessly onto the skin with a makeup sponge or brush, and I appreciate how effortlessly it melts into my complexion. The coverage is impressive. It hides blemishes and uneven skin tone, leaving behind a smooth canvas. Whether I was applying it in the morning or touching up during the day, it stayed put, and I didn't notice any major fading, even after a full day of wear. As for the texture, I found it to be silky smooth, which made it easy to build up if I wanted more coverage in specific areas. However, if you prefer a natural finish, you can also apply it lightly for a more sheer, breathable look. But one thing to note is that if you have dry spots, this foundation might cling a bit more to those areas. So it's essential to moisturize properly before application to avoid any patchiness. Now, let's get into the pros and cons. On the positive side, the KIKO Milano Full Coverage Blurring Powder Foundation delivers on its promise of high coverage. It blurs imperfections effectively, provides a matte finish without feeling too heavy, and is easy to use for quick touch-ups. The compact design is also convenient for carrying around, which is a huge plus for those busy days when you need to freshen up on the go. On the flip side, the powder could be a bit drying for those with dry skin, and I found it to be a little too matte for my personal preference. I love a matte finish, but it left my skin feeling slightly tight after a few hours, which some of you may not like. It also doesn't have a huge range of shades, so if you're deeper or lighter than the shade range, you might have a harder time finding a perfect match. When it comes to value for money, this powder foundation is priced at a reasonable rate compared to high-end brands offering similar products. The coverage is solid and it performs well throughout the day. If you're looking for something that delivers a lot of impact without breaking the bank, this is definitely a product to consider. As for alternatives, if you're in the market for a high-coverage powder foundation but don't want to spend a ton, you might also want to check out products from brands like Maybelline or L'Oreal, which offer comparable formulations at a lower price point. However, I will say the KIKO Milano powder stands out for its smooth finish and long-lasting wear, which might justify the slight premium in pricing. One thing to keep in mind is the longevity of this powder. I've worn it through both indoor and outdoor settings, and it holds up quite well. The matte finish stayed intact, and I didn't notice excessive oil buildup by the end of the day. However, if you're someone who tends to sweat or has oily skin, you may need to set it with a setting spray for a longer lasting effect. In conclusion, the KIKO Milano Full Coverage Blurring Powder Foundation is a solid choice for those looking for a high coverage matte powder that's easy to apply and gives you a smooth, airbrushed finish. While it may not be perfect for everyone, particularly those with dry skin, it does a great job of covering imperfections and creating a flawless complexion. If you're looking for a product that offers a lot of coverage without the weight of a liquid foundation, this could be a great option for you. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and if you've used the KIKO Milano Full Coverage Blurring Powder Foundation, drop a comment below. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.